Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best Mexican birria or birria quesatacos. These are the ingredients. I'm going to be making this recipe in my Instant Pot, but if you don't have one, you can always use your stovetop, okay? I'll leave a comment in the description below how to do that. And these are the types of different chiles that I used. You can find them at your local grocery store under the Mexican aisle or Latin aisle. Okay, we start off by boiling some water. We are going to dehydrate our chilies and the tomato. For about 8 minutes or so, just like I'm showing you here, we put everything in the boiling water, all of our chilies and the tomato. And after 8 minutes, this is how they should look. Soft and tender. The tomato should look like this. And we are ready to blend. And we start adding to our blender all of our chilies and the tomato that we just dehydrated. We also add our onion. And we also add all of our seasonings, including our garlic cloves, to the blender. I'm also adding a half a cup of apple cider vinegar to this. And the same water that we dehydrated the chilies in, we also added to the blender just to help it blend it really well. And then we just blend everything together. Once everything is blended really well, we start straining our chili, just like I'm showing you here. We then add a little bit of water to the blender just to rinse the blender really well so we get all of our chili in here. Okay, and this is our chili. We're gonna taste it for salt. If it needs more, we just add it in and we give it a quick stir and we have our chili ready. Next, we're gonna work in our beef. I have 4 pounds of beef chucked roast. I like to cut this in big squares, just like I'm showing you here. So I like to cut a little bit of fat from the beef, just like I'm showing you here. I do leave some fat, but some of it I just remove it. You can just leave it if you like. Okay, now we're heading over to our Instant Pot. We'll start adding our beef. And I also like to add just a little bit of salt to this. And we just pour our chili over our chuck roast, just like this. We give it a quick stir, making sure our beef is covered in the chili. And we just cover our Instant Pot and we seal it, not venting, sealing. And we set up pressure cook to 35 minutes. It will take about 15 minutes to heat up and start. And I let it release on its own for about 23-25 minutes. After that, I just cancel and open the valve to venting. Our valve is down. It is safe to open our Instant Pot. Be careful because it's hot. And we have some delicious birria. And we just start shredding our beef. You can see how tender and how easy it is to shred this. I just taste a little piece of meat right here. It does need a little salt. I am just gonna leave it like that. Once it's served, you can add more salt if you want. Now we're gonna serve our birria, just like I'm showing you here. I'm gonna add beef to a bowl, and then we're gonna just add the beef broth with the chili, of course. It is not hot. I know it's called chili. It is not hot, guys, but give it a try. It is super delicious. You just put the broth just like that, and then you start garnishing this. And I garnish my birria with cilantro and chopped onion, and I also add a little bit of lime. Now right here, I'm going to show you how to do Birria QUESATACOS. Practically is just a quesadilla with obviously cheese and our beef that we just did. We add oil to a hot pan. We get our corn tortillas and we dip them on the broth of the meat. And we just place it like this in our hot pan. Be careful because it is really hot. Some of them just break like that one. That's okay, you can leave it or just grab another one. So we leave them cooking and kind of turning brownish on one side, and then we turn them over, just like I'm showing you here. And then we start adding our cheese. I am adding mozzarella, but you can add any cheese that will melt. We also start adding our shredded meat that we just cooked. I like to add a little bit of broth also. And then we garnish with the same cilantro and chopped onion that we had before. And this is how I eat my birria quesatacos. It is delicious. You add lime and you just dip it in our broth and so delicious. And there you have it, guys. You can eat your birria on a bowl or you can eat birria quesatacos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Enjoy, guys. Bye.